everyone, today I'm taking you through a fully managed office space by a premium graded developer located on Worthur Main Road. But before we step inside, let me quickly brief you on the location first because that's one of the biggest advantage of this office space. So the office is positioned in a way that gives you multiple route options and easy accessibility from key East Bengaluru belts like ORR, Marathalli, Worthur, Whitefield and Hoodie. What also really works well is the residential convenience around this location. You have multiple graded residential development in the surrounding area, which makes it practical for teams living nearby. Adding to that, the office benefits from two-way road connectivity, allowing smooth entry and exit without major traffic bottleneck. For teams using public transport, the operational Whitefield Metro line adds another layer of access, especially for employees commuting from different parts of Bangalore. The Tech Park also offers shuttle services to Nallur Metro Station, and for those driving in, car parking is provided at a ratio of 1 slot per 850 square feet. Apart from the Tech Park, the location is surrounded with well-established social infrastructure with multiple malls, eateries, hospitals, schools and colleges all within close proximity. Now coming to the development itself, this fully managed office space is part of a large commercial development spread across 1.34 million square feet and is planned around 3 phases. So here we have the miniature, we have phase 1, 2 and 3. Currently we are in phase 1, which is the third block covering 2.64 lakh square feet, which is already ready. Phase 2 with 7.36 lakh square feet is expected to be completed by August 2026, while Phase 3 covering 3.5 lakh square feet is expected by June 2027. The campus also sits adjacent to a serene 28-acre lake, adding a rare sense of openness and tranquility to the workspace environment. It also comes with a wide range of amenities including a volleyball court, mini cricket pitch, indoor games, multi-purpose lawn, open amphitheater, gymnasium, cafeteria, food court, fine dining restaurant and more. So this space has 3 basements plus ground plus 11 floors. Before the entrance we have a lift here that goes from ground till the 3rd basement. Now let's step inside the building. So upon entering we have our reception area first. So we are in the ground floor and let's take a look at this bare shell unit. So this space measures 17,000 square feet. You've got a glass facade on one side and multiple windows which will let in a lot of natural light throughout the day. Now out of the 17,000 square feet, 5,000 square feet is dedicated for the cafeteria and the remaining 12,000 square feet is for office spaces. Now let's go take a look at the fully managed office space. So you get 4 elevators for your convenience and this space is planned around 342 workstation, making it suitable for a mid to large sized team. So this is the reception area. The office comes with a large floor plate of 25,907 square feet and is thoughtfully divided into 8 functional zones. Now let me take you through each zone and show you how the space is planned. So what also adds value here is the overall quality of the managed office space. You get this soft carpet flooring that actually controls movement and helps reduce footstep noise. The chairs here also actually feel pretty comfortable. Like they provide ergonomic chairs for better comfort sitting. Cabins and meeting rooms are also fitted with good quality doors. Like these feel pretty premium and neat. Like it's very steady. And the phone booths here are acoustically treated so well. Like the moment I step inside, the soundproofing is done very well in this office. Now coming back to the zone, starting with zone 2, this section includes 34 workstations, 2 meeting rooms and 1 cabin. Now in this zone, they have 2 entry and exit. We have our washroom on my left side. Now towards the other side of the floor, we have zone 4 with 65 workstations, 2 meeting rooms and 2 cabins. Zone 5 comes with 55 workstations, 2 meeting rooms and 2 cabins. Zone 6 offers 60 workstations, 2 cabins and 2 meeting rooms. Zone 7 is planned with 37 workstations, 2 meeting rooms and 1 cabin. Zone 8 comes with 39 workstations, 2 meeting rooms and 2 cabins. So since this is a fully managed office space, a lot of back-end operations are already taken care of. You get housekeeping services, pantry management, technician support, 24/7 security, CCTV monitoring, access card, high-speed Wi-Fi, 100% power backup, printer and scanner access, and meeting room credits. The office operates for 12 hours a day, 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. So for companies who are looking to set up in Bangalore without spending time for fit-outs, facility management or basic office operations, this becomes a practical plug-and-play option. For pricing, availability or more details, reach out to our advisors and I'll see you in the next